welcome to Bunny's Kitchen. Sunil, say hello to everybody.
Hello and bonjour and vanakkam. Sawadee
Okay.
Selamat datang.
Sunil, what are you holding in your hands?
I'm holding mushroom soup, and today we are going to make mushroom. Sorry for my explanation. It's actually called mushroom, not mushroom soup. But today we are going to make actually mushroom soup.
Okay. So, do you know what mushroom are you holding in hand?
No.
Okay, it's actually shiitake mushroom.
Shiitake mushroom. Where is this from?
I think if I'm not wrong, it's from Japan.
Japan.
If I'm not wrong, guys, but we need to Google it. So now let's look at what are the ingredients needed and how to do this restaurant-style creamy mushroom soup. Hi guys, now let's look at the ingredients needed. This is 200 grams of shiitake mushroom, which I have chopped. Half yellow onion, which we have also chopped. 500 ml of vegetable stock. If you do, go to supermarkets, you are able to find vegetable stock, or you can use a Knorr cube and then mix it together with hot water to make a vegetable stock. I'm going to use cooking cream for thickening of the soup, and it also gives great flavor to the mushroom soup. We also need butter to make this mushroom soup. Now let's look at how to make creamy restaurant style mushroom. So we have melted some butter. I'm going to add in the onions. We need the onions to sweat it out in the butter. We are now going to add in the mushrooms. And we're going to add in the vegetable stock. We're going to let the mushrooms cook in the vegetable stock. Okay, as you can see, the mushroom is already cooked. This is after about a good 10 to 15 minutes. Now we are going to blend this mixture. Okay, I'm not going to do it into a smooth paste, but I still want to have the chunky bit of the mushroom. So I'm going to use my hand blender to blend it. Okay, so the mushroom soup has been blended well. Okay, but there's still some chunky pieces into it which I would like to have it as well. I'm going to add in the cream. Okay, I've not on the stove yet, so I'm doing all this while the stove is off. Okay. So we have mixed in all the cream, okay, which is about 200 ml. I'm going to put in some black pepper. And our mushroom soup is ready. So thanks for viewing our video. Keep subscribing to Bunny's Kitchen. Share this recipe with your friends, family, your relatives, and everyone around you. Have fun, stay safe, and happy cooking.